providing excellent customer service to each other so that we can succeed together. Because we're a small division out here and we're separated from the rest of the PUC, a lot of people wear a lot of different hats. Everyone is really adept, not just at their own job assigned to them, but really understanding how their job relates to the other function, and then how they can work together with the other functions in the organization to solve those problems and meet our core mission.
We procure, track, and store materials and supplies for the project here in Moccasin, California. Our real goal is to provide the best services and materials and supplies for the 250 people that work here at Hetchy, and in turn that supports everyone in the city. And I have a very small and very efficient and effective team. We've really focused hard on doing things right, and then also focusing on doing the right things, the things that make an impact for everyone.
So the accounting team actually has several different functions. What happens because we're so remote out here, we have small groups of people that have to do the equivalent of what many people do in the city. So in the city, if you're an account clerk, you might specialize in one particular thing. But out here, our account clerks, they kind of handle everything. Everybody really loves this place. They take pride in it, they know the system inside out, they care for it, they cherish it, they do their best to make the system work at its most efficient. They look for ways to improve it all the time, and that's really an amazing thing. This is unique because it's really everybody across the board. They're really invested in it, and they do their best for it.
They are a pretty dynamic team, actually. The warehouse guys and the gals over in accounting work really well together, and I'm in engineering, so I don't typically work with them on an all-day, everyday basis. So when I do, they've included me in the team and made me feel like a part of the family. So it's pretty amazing, and I've learned a lot from all of them.
This team really understands the mission of the organization and our responsibility to deliver water and power. And the team also understands that in order to do that, we have a commitment to each other. So we're all committed to the success of the organization, and that means providing excellent customer service to each other so that we can succeed together.